Dr. Carly from Wave of Life Chiropractic Center. We are about to do our Power of Your Body spinal workshop. We do our spinal workshops every Tuesday at 6:30. This month we are doing them virtually due to social distancing and having fewer than 10 people in the office. Normally our spinal workshops have greater than 10 people attending, so we have decided to put this resource on Facebook and Instagram, and hopefully you will enjoy and take advantage of listening to this at your leisure. So the Power of Your Body workshop is every first Tuesday of the month, and you will be observing an adjustment and getting a better understanding of what's happening while you're getting adjusted by observing the adjustment happening. Bear with us. We are not used to the camera, so a little bit more about the Power of Your Body workshop. It's our favorite workshop. We talk a lot about chiropractic, and we talk a lot about the foundation of why we started Wave of Life Chiropractic. Be sure to comment below so that Tammy and Ashley can make note that you attended the workshop for your care plan. And those of you who are not under care with us, we hope you enjoy it as well. Okay, so Power of Your Body. Chiropractic is all about allowing your body to properly adapt to its environment. There's research showing that the chiropractic adjustment directly affects the frontal cortex and allows the body to better handle the input from the environment. And when we have a relaxed nervous system, then we are better able to handle the stressors coming into our life. Okay, so we have 3 traumas that negatively impact our physical body: physical trauma, chemical trauma, and mental trauma. Physical can be as simple as wearing your purse on the same shoulder or wallet in the same back pocket. So guys, pull that wallet out of your back pocket and put it into your cup holder or center console. Do not be sitting on it as you're driving. Ladies, making sure you're switching your purses from side to side. Or it can be as extreme as a car accident or sporting injury. Then the chemical traumas can be pollution, it can be processed foods, dehydration, binge eating, binge drinking. All of those things negatively impact the physical structure of your body. And then mental traumas. Mental traumas can be your daily anxiety. It can be dealing with an emotional situation such as self-quarantining or a divorce or a death in the family or even a birth of the family. All of those things can cause a mental stressor that will impact the physical aspect of your body. And so when we look at these traumas, we look to see how they impact the nervous system. And there's 3 parts of the nervous system that we want to focus on: the motor, the autonomic nervous system, and the sensory motor system. So we want to see how well the nervous system is functioning. And that is how we utilize your exam scans with the Insight, where you are looking at the inflammation within the body, you're looking at the muscle tension within the body, and you're looking at your heart rate variability. And remember, in your new patient exam or your most recent re-exam, that is where the white dot is in the green zone or if it is outside of the green zone. And that tells us how well your body is adapting to the environment. So what we're going to be doing is demonstrating an adjustment so that you guys can get a better idea. Now, we are not going to be adjusting on video. It is something we're going to be showing the pre and post effect of the adjustment on Dr. Krista. We'll be showing you how one leg is shorter than the other. That gives us an idea of where to make the adjustment. And hopefully when you come in to your next chiropractic adjustment, you can ask us any other questions you might have. Dr. Krista will be happy to jump on the table and give you another idea in person of what that looks like.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so you'll notice how one leg is shorter than the other. This left leg is shorter than the right leg here. Okay. And then what we're going to look at is her overall tension within her body. Okay. So you can notice here how there's a dip in the low back, rounding in her mid back. So we want to see how that might change in the overall tension. And it'll be slight because it is on video. Again, this is much better in person, but we are doing what we can to help make sure that you guys are getting the information that will help you better understand what's happening while you're getting adjusted. We just adjusted Dr. Krista's sacrum. And you can see here how her feet are now balanced compared to where they were. All right, now let's take a look at the side of her body post-adjustment. You can see there is less of an exaggerated lordosis in the lumbar spine, more of a gradual curve in the thoracics, which is what we want to see. We want to see gradual tension across the body rather than there being pockets of tension in different areas, whether it's the neck or the mid-back or low back. Okay, so we just got Dr. Krista adjusted, and you heard me mention gradual tension. There's always going to be tension in the body. We want there to be tension in the body because if we weren't, we would be just puddles on the floor. So we need to have gradual tension rather than there being pockets of really tight, severe tension. And so she had a wall of tension across her mid-back. Her low back was very much curved and had a severe lordosis within it. And so once we were able to provide that adjustment and alleviate that tension on the nervous system and the musculoskeletal system, her body was more relaxed. You could see that the curve was gentler, and so we have more gradual tension rather than there being distinct walls of tension. So hopefully you guys gained something from this virtual Power of Your Body workshop. We are really passionate about providing chiropractic care to our families and to our community so that they can fully express their fullest potential and really live their heart's desire with joy and pride. That is what our goal is and what we strive for here, and we look forward to seeing you at your next appointment.
See you then.
Bye. Hey, hope you enjoyed our Tuesday Spinal Workshop. Please ask us at your next appointment what the myths of chiropractic are.